Hello everyone, today I will tell you about Small Basic, why I prefer to use it, how to use it with EV3 and how you can install it. What is EV3 Basic? EV3 Basic is a small basic language along with the EV3 extension which allows it to communicate with the EV3 brick. So what is Small Basic? Small Basic is a version of the basic language developed by Microsoft. It is easy to learn and contains all features of any modern programming languages like sub-procedures, functions, if-else statements, loops, etc. So a very important question, why EV3 Basic? So EV3G is the official platform for developing programs for the Mindstorms EV3, but that is completely graphics based. But in today's world, knowing text based languages are better than graphic based ones. And why specifically EV3 Basic? Why not EV3 Python or RoboC? Well, because in order to run or use these languages, you need to flash SD cards and then insert them into the EV3. But in the case of Small Basic, you do not need any external SD card, which is really helpful. There are a couple more advantages of Small Basic. First, the programs in text-based languages are smaller in size. As you can see on the screen, that this is the same program which does the same function of rotating a motor clockwise, waiting 1 second and then rotating it anti-clockwise. And you can clearly see the difference. And second, that in the EV3G, sometimes while working on very large projects, the software becomes very slow and sometimes crashes or doesn't respond, which creates a problem. To install Small Basic, go to smallbasic.com. For Windows, click on this download button, save file, and then run it. Click on next, accept the terms, and then next, and install. And this has installed Small Basic. So now we have to install EV3 Basic so that we can program the EV3. So to do that, go to this site, which the link will be in description. Then click on this link and save the file and run it. So this will install, I'll just use the defaults, and this will install the EV3 Basic onto my laptop, and that's done. So this has installed Small Basic on a laptop. In the next video, I will show you how you can make programs and run them on the EV3 brick. Thank you.